sometimes 8 o'clock, sometimes 9 o'clock.
You slept? You slept in the house?
Yeah, I sleep here. I go 5:30, sometimes 6:30 I go work.
And then someone woke you up early in the morning?
Yeah, because I don't go work today. These people calling me, Arasa, come, because these two people know stand up. I said, what happened? He said, you don't know. I said, you don't know what happened to these two people. May I take my phone fast? I come this house. I call, I don't touch him, I call. You don't answer me. I come, I call police here.
At what time did you call the police?
7 something. 7:20, 7:30 something like this.
And you see someone lying on the floor or?
No, only for bed. Only sleep bed.
You saw someone sleeping?
Only sleep bed, not floor down.
Okay. You tried to talk to him, he was still sleeping?
Yeah, I try to speak to him, he don't answer me. I don't touch him, I call the police here.